Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is CA Poonam Sharma, and in this video I am going to share mostly asked assurance and audit interview questions. So let's begin. So first question on Ind AS other than transitions. Ind AS जो भी है basically on revenue, leases, PPE, fair value measurements, events occurring after balance sheet, financial instruments, and some questions on accounting standards. So you have to prepare for both and prepare differences also. Okay. Next questions on IFRS. Yes, you can expect questions on IFRS. So know what is IFRS and what are differences between Ind AS and IFRS. Next question on standards on auditing. So you have to prepare how audit is started and how audit is ended. So prepare essays of series 300 and essays of series 700. Focus areas are these series. Okay. Next on vouching and verifications. There could be a lot of questions on these. So prepare P&L and balance sheet items and study from ICI material, which is for IPC. Next question, impact of COVID-19 on financial statements and various sectors. So answer to this question varies organization to organization, so you can answer accordingly. Next, you can expect a lot of questions from Companies Act 2013. So mostly asked sections like relevant sections, recent amendments and chapter like company audit and CARO. So prepare CARO and company audit thoroughly. Next questions you can expect on internal control on financial reporting. So in this you prepare RCM, risk control matrix, control testing, read internal audit reports of some organizations. So according to standard operating procedure, how actual things are working in the organization. Next questions could be on substantive test and control test. So I am sharing you one difference here so that you can read along with this video. Next question, what is deferred revenue? So this is mostly asked when you give interview for internal audit, and it has been asked to me also. So here is the relevant answer. How to create good working papers for auditing? This question you have to answer from your real life experiences. Okay. Next question you can expect on, suppose you are independently given an audit of an entity, how you will start. So in this, broader concepts, audit planning, audit execution, reporting, follow-up and closure. Explain along with some real examples. Next, verification of fixed assets or verification of inventories, verification of cash and bank balances. So fixed assets, audit procedures to verify fixed assets has been asked so many times to me also. Next question on what are various audit assertions. So this is most common questions. So I'm putting the answer here as well. So you can read it along with the question. Next question on how to conduct audit of revenue and how to conduct audit of purchases. So prepare these two thoroughly with relevant real life examples. Okay. Next question on cash flow statements. You can expect a lot of questions on CFS, like the types of activities, 3 types of activities, the inflows and outflows. Okay, they can give you some case studies as well. Next mostly asked question is, tell us major audit observations which you noticed and how you resolved that with management. So this question varies person to person. You have to give examples from your real life. Next question on debtors aging and creditors aging. So explain these things in detail, okay, and quote some examples from your life. Next question on reconciliation of TDS and GST. This has been asked so many times to me also. So you have to answer this based on whatever procedure you follow for reconciliation. While performing audit, what variance analysis you do on profit and loss items. This could be on year-to-year comparison, industry comparison. Okay. Next question on difference between cash-based accounting and accrual-based accounting. So accrual concept has been asked so many times. Next question is, what is DTA and DTL? Deferred tax assets and deferred tax liability. So you have to explain this with examples, and here I'm quoting some picture. Next question, what is impairment of assets and how it is different from depreciation? So it's impairment versus depreciation. Next question, case study based question on which assets you will capitalize and which you will expense off. So it's capitalization versus expensing. Next questions on different accounting concepts like accrual, matching concept, and so on. And questions could be on accounting principles as well. Next is, what is debit note and credit note? Here I'm leaving a picture so that you can read. Just pause and read. Next question, what is fictitious asset? So explain it. Here I'm leaving the meaning here. Next question is difference between perpetual and periodic inventory system. I'm leaving here answer as well so that you can read along with the video. Next question on what is management letter. So this means MRL, management representation letter, and how much it is used and how much it is important for an auditor. Next question could be on define fair value of accounting. So fair value is used so many times in AS, so you have to explain. Next question on what is offset accounting. Here I'm leaving the meaning of offset accounting. Pause and read. Next question could be based on your resume. This depends on the things you mentioned in your resume, so be prepared for that, for every word you mentioned in your resume. Some could be like types of audit software you have used in your training period, or they can ask, have you gained technical knowledge for auditor, or are you updated as per industry, and how do you update yourself? So that's all about this video. Before you leave, my channel is named as CA Poonam Sharma. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button in case you like this video, and do share it with your friends. So next video will be on interview questions on credit profile and credit analysis. So that's all. Bye.